Mama wakwaba wafreme adwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo BonoFuo na ende omode omonsem abetudwe eden sem na omo kan wonsem omo kan ina ne se eye owura ka kire kwadwo alantra maintain wa resign the NPP move BonoFuo they don't care. The Omunima is Vice President Dr. Bawumia eba be President 2024 next year. We are to have an na January 2025. What also His Excellency and Adam Kwakufa na member so. Na den tina Ghana BonoFuo bi e kan say yenye nim sema ekoso e wo Ghana hanom titiri pa NPP amayoko no mu dem INDC form weni age nti NPP for adwobre o mo study na mo ka mo ngom why na breaking the 8 ni weti me breaking na senya na model kode a honorable Kennedy compare kwa Japan ne supporters to bomb no na rural and cash so tama no ye NPP ni no ne nkofo so to bomb na mbisa no say the breaking the 8 ebebem ni NPP for over to you na ebusuafo de nti na BonoFuo kase ye yina enim owura ka kire alancha maintain kwadwo papa fefe 10 gram wa pen paper wa letter abeka che Ghana for say Zoyen NPP ni bio kwakogina as independent candidate na 2024 alla obefa ne fala obewini na adenti na rural and cash say o chere say August internal elections because we NPP amayoko no NPP for mpanyufo e chinchini nkofo binsa eje abato no manipa baako also we the party na chi na edu ne so nko adenya de obetene because edu no so kene kenzo ye president since Ghana youth no so ye ne abre nkokorafo ne yesem nkoda ne mpanifo ne bra kakra still nkokorafo is what into rural and cash is wakogina as independent oba 2024 Ghana for se behwe e wo sense memu na BonoFuo bi akire afre madwen e wo kan wasem Sumpa FM ade a chen bi adwumade si ntie se nsem no esi ehol
regional chairman for ye besire mo munyina mo ka mo nyanya tuma tin because BonoFuo ne ban so obekum obewia no wakum no wasen e yesu di oba ne se oba no yanyankwa eno nti MPP ni party a ebetimi ama oman no anyankwa na NDC de besire mo temo di mani tu o mo so a eye asem anko a
okay obi anyina so ka wasem ne enko
oman nyine anafai mu yaduma
ofre
edume so de o fa yemfantin chen o se do ne so de anta promise ni kwa tanke ye kokra nenka ye de amala nenka kokko endi ka de do so a ye kotwa ba enti ye campaign na kokko anji windi ne yanto aba ma wa ndi ya campaign no yanto aba na ma o gofu but manenka dem di o ze emla yo su ye kokko da de mo te funu bi so furu no yesu free de so no yanti ni go Bible mu bi mo enti zara we pro so le so dia yanti ni di meda.
Okay, let me get a video call. Hello, good morning.
Yo my no ze me yem kala no yo enkwale go hormo a yo omu di agura obi bo mo kakra bi pero di peka no ko bi o kaka trend man ze edu bi na to ala no edume so de o fa yemfantin chen o se do ne so de anta promise ni kwa tanke ye kokra nenka ye de amala nenka kokko endi ka de do so a ye kotwa ba enti ye campaign na kokko anji windi ne yanto aba ma wa ndi ya campaign no yanto aba na ma o gofu but manenka dem di o ze emla yo su ye kokko da de mo te funu bi so furu no yesu free de so no yanti ni go Bible mu bi mo enti zara we pro so le so dia yanti ni di meda.
Okay, let me get a video call. Hello.
Ya odini no huni o.
Odini ho na o ahen.
What enough? Ya.
Odini ho so.
Ya. Ana pere azake mi ane che. Ko atkojoana, ko jaka majin. Ala ogunu woni mati papa ogunu woni mati kenya metse no atire
minua onyi ni se hello
ala ogunu woni mati
odene we
ya ni che
onyi ni se mukasa bi se nka mutoni down ebeboa mo
e yo do ni kabo ni and what you want what
there be now catch up pennies or good one in Marcia, or the one, and yet. Mompani for Crom Cassano, or Man Cassa Sancheno.
Oh, it's only beginning. It's only beginning.
It was not beginning here, also Okadi and Yatrano. There be Mamunya Sa.
Okay, my church.
Aye, and Cassa Sanchralan. Why? Okay.
Yeah, you say, you say, Dr. Bawumia, on one echo. On the beginning of 2024, Allah, no, many delegate. They are coming and Dr. Bawumia,
okay, thank you. Let me pick the video. Hello.
We do every that how they say me wo afamu sisia.
Mami ntiwa no pay.
Nana Jamfi Ghana region.
Nana kasa.
Mami mo about Libya boga wa ha. Nana Jamfi mi etia no. Misraw mami mpoke gitia na mentia. Wonim ya na bika MPP be co position. Na mi die munti e masa so da. Awu chede. Omayini ni bi wa America. Australia. Almost in that which the Bia will let go for one autonomy to say. I would say, I think yes, Ramo, the book of the Nippie. I had Diane could be the Baba. As President Jabaro about letting the Bia Yamia Dunan and Sakatu Minua. What near her mother? A dear friend for 500 vice president, Dr. Bob Mamu, Paulan to Miss Ramo. I say,
okay, thank you very much. Mame Emfa Bakumienu.
I don't know to what extent. I believe, say, he's an intelligent person or a very vibrant politician. He's been somebody who, until yesterday, did believe in the ideologies of the UP down Kwadombo Buzia tradition. Also, I mean, when we talk about the substance of a man, is. Yes, it could be said, and then maybe any party and some the Bobera, but he's somebody that has lived life. And I'm saying this to say, he has the right to either join or disjoin from an association as the constitution permits him to. Also, in the MPP constitution, he has the right to leave the party if he feels that he cannot go according to the rules and the regulations and the tenets of the party. It's a right, and I think he has exercised it. And those who believe, a candidate that can transform this Ghana we have, so be it. Let them go ahead and then support his candidature. One thing I'm not happy about, though, many didn't come out 2 weeks ago. I'm saying started a program now. And I'm a catcher will say he had a message he wasn't able to sell because he and his team constantly try to accuse the same system they are planning to lead. Maybe who could they were not selling the works, instead showing everybody that it is a failed system. Now, I know, this time will come because about last Thursday or Friday, and Intel said there's a meeting going on, and after the meeting, Papa no babe kase obijina for independent candidate. Unfortunately, na the political zone show away, so I couldn't come live to break the news, but I know what was gonna go on. Now, na ya papa la don na onim say on MPP